What is up, people? This is Shubh with my fourth video on my channel Unleash Quality. So I had given out the topic that we would be discussing in my next video, which is this. And what did we decide to discuss? We decided to discuss data. What is data, and also we'll know the types of data and how is it different from information. Now there is a difference between data and information. So let's get started. First, let's understand what is data. We have this question, here we have the answer as well. What is data? Data are nothing but facts and figures, right? Numbers, alphabets, set of symbols, all of these, make a data, right? So definition 1 says data are simply facts or figures, bits of information, but not information itself. Note that it's not information, it's just bits of information. What does Wikipedia say? Wikipedia says data is a set of values of subjects with respect to qualitative or quantitative variables. Qualitative or quantitative variables, what are those? Now there are different forms of data, different types of data, right? There is quantitative data, which is also known as numerical data. Then there is qualitative data or categorical data. Then there is a segment of categorical data, which becomes ordinal data or nominal data. Under quantitative data, you have discrete data, continuous data. So we will understand all of this data, the types of them one by one. On this video, we will discuss more of what data is actually and how is it different from information. Now the definition 2, the second definition that I have is information in raw, unorganized forms such as alphabets, numbers or symbols that refer to or represent conditions, ideas or objects. That is the definition of data again, right? So we have 3 definitions here. Going by all this definition, we see that, the data and information, they are not the same thing. So how do we distinguish or differentiate between data and information? So this is what information, the definition of information says when data are processed, interpreted, organized, structured or presented so as to make them meaningful or useful, they are called information. It's too much of English to understand the meaning of information, right? Or to differentiate. So here's what I've done, and a clear example here is I've taken this random number 190720. This is a set of random number, right? This is my data, a raw data. I don't know what information I can derive from this. Now, when I put a meaning to this, when I process this, it becomes information. Example, I add 2 forward slashes to it. Now, you see, it becomes information. It becomes a date. What date can it be? When I add another meaning to it, it can be date of birth. It can be date of death, sadly, of someone's. It can be anniversary date. It can be start date or end date of a business, start date or end date of anything, right? So when I add more meaning to it, it becomes information. Or else when I had initially put the number 190720 without the forward slashes, that's just raw data. Similarly, if I take the set of number once again and add 2 colons to it, it becomes a time. Similar to the previous example, it can be time of birth, it can be time of death, it can be time of marriage, it can be start time, end time of the business, it can be start and end time of a organization, the work shift, the end shift, right? Now without any forward slash or colon, this is the raw number, right? Now this raw number, it can be again a zip or a postal code. So differentiating between data and information is adding meaning to the data makes it an information. Always, it can be zip or a postal code. It can be an amount. It can be like 1,90,720 rupees. It can be quantity, 1,90,720 kilograms or grams, right? So that's how data is differentiated from information. The raw form is always data. When we process it, when we add meaning to it, that becomes information. Cool. So I hope I was able to clarify this today, what data and information is. So all this becomes information when we add meaning to the raw data. I've kept this video short, just about 5 minutes, since we just wanted to discuss, and my idea here was to, let you guys know what I feel, what data is, what the actual definition of data is, and how do we differentiate it from information. In our next videos, we will be discussing the types of data which we have spoken, quantitative and qualitative data, where we will discuss what a quantitative data looks like, what a qualitative data looks like, how do we differentiate between them. We'll also look into the ordinal data, right? So that's all for today. Thanks for watching. And if you like the video, if it was informative enough, like if you have any comments, please do comment and do subscribe. Thank you so much for the support. And this is Shurp signing off. Stay safe.